things like these, which trucks must carry, Chevrolet introduces 3 brand new economy delivery trucks. The Corvair 95. First American trucks with Corvair's better balance and load distribution. Exclusive advantages you get only when the engine's in the rear. This Corvair 95 is called the load side. Carrying capacity's a tremendous 1,900 pounds. Look at the 95's terrific visibility. And look at that front seat. 3 men wide, and they can be wide men. Here's another Corvair 95, the ramp side, with a feature that sets it apart from every other pickup in the USA. That's right. The side folds down to form a ramp, especially helpful when the load's too heavy to lift. And here's the big new Corvan. Its huge 191 cubic feet of cargo space is easy to get at through the big double doors, on the right and in the rear. And look at that low loading height. As with all Corvair 95s, the Corvan suspension is something special in trucks. 4-wheel independent coil springs, so even delicate instruments ride safely. Check into the Corvair 95. You'll find them and whatever kind of truck you want at your Chevrolet dealer's greatest show on work.